Number 8, jam ball and first ball possession. Zigirino gives Artates, holds the ball. Now at the top, he goes to the middle. Against number 2, pass, cross pass. To the middle, Artates launches on big pass. Number 14 goes to the spray. Steps inside, takes the goal, Artates, high pass. Number 4, pass back Artates. Pass to the wings, right wings for A. Off the mark, number 40, the rebound. High pass. Looking for Artates. Artates now with the ball. He crosses over. He is spinning, fakes it, pump, he fires. What go? One lakas po rin. Rebound for yung Nueva Vizcaya. Here's number 40. He stops and pass number 2. And pass back to Artates to the middle. Natapikan. Almost and recover. 7 seconds of the shot clock. Fakes, pump, fires, and gets the bucket. Mahor now. Pass to the right wing. Corner. Linya for 3. Short. Rebound Artates. Artates taking it easy and high pass inside. The love pass in the preview. Artates bounce pass inside, ball stolen, pass break, Mahor, Zigirino pass break, number 4, De La Cruz, Take the ball, setting the play, signing the signal in the play, and pass to Artates, bounce pass to the right wings, pass it back, corner, left, right wings, to Artates, looking for the receiver, 5 seconds on the shot, and just step back. Oh, saan punta? Short. Negative. And here's number 20. And the pass. The place. Oh! Pass to number 2. Bounce pass. Pass back. Artates to Maliari. To the middle. Step back. Pull up chain. Negative. Rebound Mejia. Mejia to. Drive. Straight to the home. Artates with the steal, goes to the corner, attacks, pump, spins, and there is a whistle, foul. Back to the middle. Yes. Artates last on the free throw, in and out, 5 for the rebound, will go to Team Nueva Vizcaya, and there's number 20. Long pass, maybe a good receive, maybe out of the top. Rebound number 21. Recovery pass. Yes. Last on the middle way here. And yes, Nueva Vizcaya, 40 seconds on the end pass. Slow pass. Bounce pass. Pass back Artates. Pass inside. Inside another pass. Oh! Naghangin lang eh. Hindi pumasok behind ka ba? Yan daw, 15 seconds. Bounce pass. Stops. Attack. Side step. Hook shot. Muntik ng ganda. And here's number 20 behind the back. Dribble. Pass number 21. Launch it on 3. Yadaw, behind the back dribble, goes to the screen. Yadaw, another behind the back pass. Kicks it out, Yadaw. Pass back, open hook, fires and play. Short. Rebound, Zigirino. Number 10. Stops and bounce pass. Attacks to the home place. And the lucky bounce. Number 4 is stop. Open look, fires. pass. De La Cruz to the corner, bounce pass. De La Cruz back and throw. Back. De La Cruz, last of the free throw, gets them both.
Number 5, pass to number 6, to number 4, De La Cruz, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6, number 7 yan, may taga ng bola. Still number 7, pass to number 8, 10 to shoot. Easy 2, number 5. Number 5, still number 5. Pass to number 6. Number 6, good for 2. Oh, number 12 in the house. Still number 12. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 7. Yung may mga birthday dyan. Number 14. Cover by number 72. Back to number 14. Still number 14, zigzag dribbling. Short jumper, yes sir! Okay, Emil Kamakapan, happy birthday daw. Number 7, to number 4, 42, 41, 1 point na lang. Ang inahabol ng QSQ. Number 2, to number 3, 10 to shoot. Number 3, nakuha ni number 11. Kumakalipas, Reyes. Ang ganda naman. Ferrer. Pass to number 2. To number 3. Number 3 to Ansa. Minus 7. Napakababusan. Ang player natin ang siya. Number 2. To number 6. Mapasok ni number 6 na kayo nakakatingan. Pass break na yun kay number 12. Number 12! Wow! Para kumakyat sa ako po. Mukhang inaalam. Number 3. Ang gandang pasahalan is QSU. So number 1 to number 3. Uy, ang ganda ka. Kaya ako nakita yun ni number 11. Easy layup by number 14. Number 5. Still number 5 to number 1. 10 to shoot. Number 1. Oh, hinatabi ka naman. Kuha lang ng number 12. Tuon walang laban yun. Number 12. Yes, sir. Pinalabaw. Number 22. Ito na naman si number 12. Number 12. Kumakyat na naman sa bundok. Number 3. Yan nilang pa rin tayo. Number 4. 14 to 72. Bigla pumukul ng 3. Still number 1. Yung pass. Number 3 yun. Libre. Number 12. Pinapring pa ni number 12. Number 12. Still number 12. Pumukul na 3. Wala nga lang. Liba ba number 5? Number 5 ba yun? Kumakalipas. Iniwan na number 6. Number 6. Palpal. Uy, let's go pass. 55 ba yun? Ayan na. Hindi pa lumabas naman yun. Ayun na naman, si number 12. May naman 22. Ito, 2-1. Nakuha ni number 12, nakapagod pa. Ito, 10 to shoot. Rebounding number 8. Ayan na si number 8. Number 8 naman. Talaga naman si number 8. 55 to number 11. 11. Ang ganda naman. 30 BSU. And now, by number 55. Ito na naman si number 1. Ito na naman mo. Ayan na si number 1. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Papikan, kayo mo na. Fourth quarter na to. 10 to shoot. Kaya pupuko, hindi. Binigay kay number 6. To number 5. Naman, may chicken mo ka. Number 17. Ayun na. Ayan na, mukhang nagigigil si number 12. 55, wala pa rin. Ay! Uy! Dire-diretso si Lucas. Mahaba pa yan. 5 puntos ang kalamangan ng NVSU. Tignan natin kung mahabol ang Quirino. 10 to shoot. Number 8. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si number 8. 2 on 1. Very good. Last 2 minutes. Number 1. Big 3 points. Number 1. Ito, hawak mga kaibigan. Still number 1. Trapas to number 3. Number 3, wala nga lang. Sayang yun. Last touch by number 12. Number 1. Number 1, nag-hesitate. Binigay kay number 8. Number 1, wala nga lang. Kuha niya pa rin. Ay, nasave pa. Number 25. Number 24. 24! Hindi kasama foul. Oh. Time out! Ayan na si number 1. 40 seconds. Oh, pwede pa to. Isang magandang defense lang. 14. Nako, napabayaan. Biglang ganda-ganda. Oh, in and out. 17 seconds, ha?
17 seconds.
Nako, sablay. Rebound nila. Ito na, number 1. Possession lang yan eh. Ito na. Oh, 5 seconds. Ayan na, pumasok na. Napapalakpak na si coach ng NVSU. Sa nakakaintindi ng basketball, alam niya na.